In today's video, I'll be sharing the top 5 things that I wish I knew before investing in cryptocurrency. Crypto can seem like a daunting, complicated, and very risky investment. It seems like there's a lot of steps involved, from setting up an exchange to getting your own wallet to actually store your coins on. And what if the exchange gets hacked or you forget the password to your wallet and you can't access any of your investment, but you might still be very interested in the topic and you may have heard of people becoming millionaires from putting their money into things like Bitcoin and Ethereum. You might be confused on where to start and how you even begin to actually start buying some of your own cryptocurrency. This is the video that I wish I saw when I first began on my crypto investing journey. It would have saved me a ton of time and money, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly what cryptocurrency is, how to invest into it, and most importantly how to make a profit from doing it. Firstly, don't get too emotional with your money. Cryptocurrency is a very volatile asset and it can go through massive price changes, can be very stressful if you're seeing your money go up by hundreds of percentage points and dropping just as quickly. So keep that in mind when you are buying these types of currencies. It's not often a very stable investment, and the potential for your money to change very rapidly, both going up and down, is definitely there. So keep that in mind when you're investing in crypto. Don't get too caught up on perfectly trying to time your buying and selling points. More or less just spending time in the market is definitely a great strategy with cryptocurrency. You don't want to get too attached with your money. Just start small, say $10, $20, $30 to begin with, and then the more money you put in, the more comfortable you'll be with it and the less attached you'll be to the money that you've got invested. With crypto, it's still really a long-term game, and you don't want to stress yourself out by trying to always time when you should buy or sell or invest money that you can't afford to lose. Once you put it into cryptocurrency, you more or less need to be comfortable that you can't ever touch it again and that money is gone. So if you adopt that mindset, it takes away a lot of the stress from investing with crypto and makes it a far better experience. Number 2 is using a software wallet over a hardware wallet when you first begin. So when I first started, I thought that I have to buy an expensive hardware wallet just to even begin buying cryptocurrency, and I bought a Trezor Model T, which set me back about 200 New Zealand dollars, and that's really something I didn't need to do. I could have easily used a free software wallet like Exodus that would have securely stored my coins, and I could have saved a lot of that money and just invested it into cryptocurrency. So keep that in mind, because that initial investment just to even purchase a hardware wallet can put you off, because you're having to set aside anywhere from $120 to $200 just to even begin investing in crypto. So sticking with that software wallet option is definitely a great way to go, and you're not going to lose your coins when they're stored on something like this. So just keep that in mind when you first start investing. The third tip is not buying altcoins or hype coins, and I mean ones like SafeMoon, Refinable, or NFT Art Finance. I personally have purchased all 3 of these at one point in time, and it can be quite interesting to buy into the hype and see how much these coins can go up. But overall it is a losing strategy, because when you buy something like this, it's more or less just gambling with your money, and cryptocurrency is already such a volatile asset, and if you buy coins like this, it makes it even more volatile. There's no consistency with your investment. You don't know where it'll go. One week it might go up several 100%, and then the next day it might drop just as quickly. If you are interested in buying coins like this, you are definitely able to ride a wave and get some profits along the way, but if you don't set yourself a limit of when you pull your money out, then overall you will lose the majority of your investment. You need to think that I'll pull my money out once I double my investment, or take profits along the way, so you're consistently making a return and not waiting for a massive drop in price to scare you and actually make you sell your investment, because at that point you'll most likely have lost what you put in along with any profits that you've made from it, and also taking your initial investment out, so you're essentially just playing with house money, and that can take away a lot of the stress from it as well, because none of your own money is on the line and you're just playing with profits. So keeping some of those things in mind if you're still interested in buying these types of coins. Fourth tip is just holding established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These should make up the majority of your portfolio, because they are the most consistent as consistent can be when it comes to cryptocurrency. If you can just leave your money in these and avoid the hype and speculation around some of these other coins, it'll serve you well in the future. Of course, there will be more up and coming ones along the way, but just do your research on them and don't just buy them because other people are, because this is really how you can lose a lot of your money when it comes to investing in anything. Number 5 is that I should have started earlier. There's not going to be an exactly perfect time when you should get into buying cryptocurrency. It's just important that you start. The more time time you can spend in the market with established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, the greater your returns and the more profit you can make. Imagine how much money you could have made if you just had invested a few years earlier, say in 2017 or 2018. You don't need to wait on a perfect opportunity to get started. It's just important that you start. The more time you spend in the market, the greater your profits will be, and the more consistent you are with your investing, the less risk you take with it as well. Just breaking through that first hurdle and putting your first bit of money aside is all you need to do, and after that the whole process becomes much easier. If I've skipped over things a bit too quickly and you want a more detailed breakdown of all the steps involved in actually purchasing cryptocurrency, all the way from setting up an account to selecting which type of wallet is best for you, make sure to check these videos out, and it'll give you a lot more information on buying cryptocurrency. If you find the video helpful, make sure to help me out by liking this video and subscribing to the channel, and let me know down below in the comments what's your favorite type of cryptocurrency. I really enjoy interacting with you guys, so leave your thoughts down below.